A wise man once said, why use a pen when you can use a keyboard? So friends, this Hastech always access granted, and this here with me is the Redgear MK853, aka the Shadow Blade. And I wasted my 2500 Indian rupees so that you don't have to waste yours. Well, just kidding. Without wasting any more further time, let's unbox this product up. And just a quick reminder, this is an unboxing video and my first impressions. This is no review. A review will be uploaded on this channel real quick once I thoroughly test this device for approximately 7 to 10 days. And according to the marketing, this keyboard is using clicky blue switches. We don't know the exact model like KAILH switches, the Omron switches, but yeah, we will be testing which switch it really is based upon my experience. Well, the packaging surely looks good, and the trailer about this keyboard also looks pretty darn good. You can check that out on YouTube on Redgear's official page. And a single seal to open it up. Frankly, I saw this product on Amazon just yesterday and I saw that there were no reviews about this product, neither any good unboxing, so I decided to buy it and post a video about it, you know, for views. So be sure to subscribe and hit the like button. In the box we get our main keyboard. Let's keep it aside for a while. We also get a user manual, and trust me, you're going to need that user manual for future works because there are just so many macro commands that you can't learn everything. And I've been using a Redgear MK881 for the past 2 years, and I still decided to buy another Redgear product despite of its poor build quality. Oh yeah, trust me, the keys are just starting to break after 2 years. The lighting is just stopped working for some of the keys and stuff like that on my previous keyboard. And yeah, we also get a wrist rest. This was another major factor that influenced me buying this keyboard, as this only costs 2500 Indian rupees as of now, and we also get a wrist rest with it. So yeah, this was good. And this is a key puller or a key remover, whatever you call it. With the help of this you can remove the keys, or your nails are just more than enough to pull out the keys from the keyboard. Now there's nothing in the box left, so yeah, let's throw the box aside and look at our main culprit. Oh yeah, we also get a golden finished USB cable which is braided, another good sign. And yeah, upon my very first impressions, the keyboard is freaking heavy. It's like 1300 grams, which is too much for a keyboard. Although they say that the body is full metal, maybe that's why it's so much heavy. Let's stop whining about its weight, because I know most of you just going to keep it on your desk and never ever pick it up again. Unless and until you are looking for something portable, in which case this is not the right choice for you. You can just skip this one out. And this is the volume knob, a hard to find feature in a cheap keyboard, as well as a costlier keyboard, should I say, because these are just very rare to find in a keyboard altogether. Upon my very first impression, this keyboard surely looks sturdy. I mean, like, if I'm going to just hammer it on the table, I know nothing's going to happen to it because of that metal build finish. And this is the wrist rest. Now this surely is a good thing to have, but again, this is just plastic, and don't know why you should provide a plastic wrist rest if you can't provide a padded one. I mean, just come on man, one layer of padding. We are not asking for too much, are we? But then looking at the price, a good to have feature again. Now let's connect it to our PC and let's rock and roll. Now as you can see, the lights are fixed. You cannot change the color of that particular key. Now this might be a bummer. Let me give you another bummer. You have to switch the lighting modes, which there are a total of 22, using just a single key like the FN and print screen. You have to just keep pressing it until you get your desired LED output. So isn't that a good thing? Because my previous Redgear one just had different keys for different LED outputs, you know, the different patterns. Like as you can see, the spectrum mode, there are 22 different spectrum modes, which is a good thing to have, unless you have to use a single key to change amongst them. Let's have a comparison between this Redgear and my previous Redgear, which had KAILH blue switches, and this one has just clicky blue switches. So yeah, let's do it. Now let's type in something. And I personally find this sound really annoying, the clicky blue switches. And these are the KAILH blue switches, and they are like good blue switches. And I personally think that this one is Omron blue switches, the one with the Redgear Shadow Blade. And Omrons are considered to be the worst mechanical, not really worst, but yeah, not up to the mark as compared to the KAILH blue switches. So yeah, if you can invest some more amount in your keyboard, I suggest you to go for KAILH blue switches. For a full judgment, you can wait for my full review video, which I will release in within like 7 or 10 days after thoroughly using it for gaming and extensive research purposes, if you know what I mean. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do leave a like, subscribe, and yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Peace out.